First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Launch the software on your computer and connect your Android device to the computer with the USB cable. After connecting your Android device, the software will detect it and pop up a window to require you to click Allow on your device. Once successfully connecting, you will see this interface. Go to the Super Toolkit section and click on Backup. Then you'll see an interface like this. Select the contents you want to back up and choose an output location on your PC to save them. Then click on the Backup button. After that, all the chosen contents will be backed up to the destination. Click OK when the backup is finished. To restore from the backup files made by the software, click on Restore, choose the backup record and the file types, then click Restore.